Hi, good morning. I'm Liz by name. Today is 28th of May 2021. In response to the topic is Mary a descendant of David or Aaron? This is the third part of three. So we're made to understand in the teaching that if you want to read the book of Matthew and Luke all together to know the history of Jesus, you won't get the straight answer because it will lead you to different answers. In Matthew, 1 verse 16 makes us understand that the grandfather of Jesus is Jacob, while in Luke 3 verse 23, when Jesus was 30, the grandfather was Eli. So no one can, it is not really that straight. So whatever the Bible told us, we believe. If 1 Timothy 1 verse 4, we must not eat to fables and endless genealogy, because we cannot trace back the genealogy of Mary. So there is no record that Mary is from David's lineage, but there can be possibilities. It can be from Joseph or from Mary. It can be one of them, or there can be spiritual possibilities. So we should not doubt the authority of the Bible. If the Bible says yes, if the Bible says this, we should always believe. The book of Revelation 5 verse 4 to 5. When no one could open the book, the Lion of the tribe of Judah came out to read the book, which makes us understand that Jesus is from the tribe of Judah. We believe. So whatever the Bible tells us, we could not trace back the genealogies. And whatever the Bible tells us, we should never doubt the authority of the Bible. Thank you.